Handana, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, it's very awkward to vlog like this in public place, but welcome back. And the vlog is all about, अब तक तुम लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि vlog is what about. That Manjula is taking me for shopping. Why? We'll ask Manjula, but let's loot Manjula today. So Manjula is here. You can see Manjula is very awkward. So we have come to some nearby mall place. And I hope and this is my best try to vlog this and कि मैं vlog shoot करूँ और मैं upload करूँ as soon as possible because every time I shoot there are so many pending vlogs which are yet to be uploaded but I give up every time while I edit it because it's very lengthy, so I'm going to try my best to not to vlog too long and to vlog it very short and मुझे बाद में easy हो जाएगा कि cut करके. So let's go and let's ask Manju why she's taking me for shopping. Hey Manju. Hi. Hi. So you're in that shopping Ganti.
Birthday girl.
You're not birthday. It's not my birthday.
August 29.
You're not debit credit card kali anda. Manju and it's me and there's some another unknown guys. This is my OTD. Very homeless. Please don't judge my styling. I'm not that good at it, but yeah, very homeless and very lazy person. Guys, क्या ये आपके साथ ऐसा होता है कि when somebody says let's go shopping for you but they end up buying for themselves and they don't concentrate on shopping for you? Why Manjula? मेरे लिए आया है shopping करने के लिए, not for you. So थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग ने मंजू को लूट लिया है. मंजू show the bag. Bag, show the bag. Show the bag. Show the bag. थोड़ा बहुत लूट लिया है. So yeah, और लूटने का चांस हम छोड़ना नहीं चाहते. So let's do this. मंजू
एक ही लौटी बैठी है.
हाँ गाइस, ऐसा नहीं कि वो मुझे शॉपिंग नहीं लेके जाती बट इट्स बीन वेरी लॉन्ग कि आई हैव आस्क्ड. मैंने जिस मम्मी को बोला मम्मी बिकॉज आई हैव नो वन, तो मैं मम्मी को बोला कि मम्मी प्लीज़ टेक मी फॉर शॉपिंग. शी इज़ लाइक ओके लेट्स गो. और फिर जैसे हम यहाँ पे आए आई एम लाइक सो ऑकवर्ड टू व्लॉग बिकॉज मुझे नहीं आदत है यार ऐसे पब्लिक में व्लॉग करना. बट यार लाइक ठीक है. और या वी केम फॉर शॉपिंग बट ज़्यादा कुछ मिला नहीं. देयर वाज नो कलेक्शन ज़्यादा कुछ. और देन वी एंड अप कमिंग फॉर मंजुला. बाप रे. मैं मंजुला इसलिए बुलाती हूँ कि मतलब बस प्यार से बुलाती हूँ. मैं मम्मी भी बुलाती हूँ कि अम्मा भी बुलाती हूँ. दैट डजंट मीन दैट आई डोंट रिस्पेक्ट और आई डोंट लव हर. जस्ट सी out of love. Guys, can you relate with me that grocery shopping is very fun and exciting? Like whenever I come to any like grocery shopping, so I feel like I'm a homemaker or I'm a home cook and yeah. और ऐसे बोलते सब ले ले, ये सब चाहिए मुझे, है ना. इट्स एक्साइटिंग. क्या आप हमसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं? Yes guys, so we are done shopping. Yeah, grocery shopping भी हो गया. And I'm gonna tell you a story, okay, about a Uber, rickshaw and a car. So I just remembered an incident long back. We had to be in this place. So this mall is like nearby to our home place. So we had came here for some shopping. Mummy, come, तू भी है. You should also know. Come, तेरे को भी याद आएगा. So I'm a person. I'm a very local person, not local वाला person. Like then if you give me an option or a rickshaw or a car, I'll prefer always a rickshaw if there is nearby journey. But if there is like long go, I'll always prefer a four-wheeler. So one time what happened, there was one more person with us. Okay. So me and that person, we were fighting for like, I was like, I have to go in rickshaw and that person was like, I have to go in four-wheeler. So we had this like bet or you know we had this argument or fight in the road, on the road I mean. And we were like जिसका पहले रिक्शा आएगा या जिसका पहले गाड़ी आएगा हम लोग उससे जाएंगे. And I was so pissed and that person was also so pissed कि भाई, I'm like why rickshaw is like sometimes I feel like when we are traveling you know वो abnormal होता है. Whenever I eat something outside and कुछ Uber cars होते हैं उसका वो smell that गाड़ी का ambience doesn't go with you or you feel pukish or abnormal, वो सब मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. मम्मी मेरे एक टूपना चाहिए. So that is what. Do you also feel that sometimes? I do feel that a lot of times, and I always prefer rickshaw when it's nearby or something. That person will watch this and he'll be like मेरे बारे में ही बात कर रही है बंदी. So that's it. That's it. ज़्यादा कुछ ब्लॉग करने हुआ नहीं. It was very awkward. पता नहीं कितना मिनट्स का होगा. But thank you so much Manjula for taking me for shopping. ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं कि एक ही टाइम में दैट यू हैव एग्रीड चलो शॉपिंग करते हैं करके. मंजुला इज बड़े लोग ना, बड़े लोग. और कुछ बोलना चाहोगे मंजुला?
कुछ नहीं, क्या बोलो, कुछ क्या आया नहीं.
कुछ खाते यार, कुछ खाते फ्रेंच फ्राइज തിന്നു. ബാലയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. അർബാൻപുരി എങ്കിലെ ഷോപ്പിംഗ് അതുകൊണ്ട് പോകാറ്. We are waiting for Uber yaar. No Uber we can find here and we are stuck. That's why I like rickshaw. This is the reason. You get all the big chick vibes. This is Ampli Mumbai bro. Manjula, what's up? So that's it for the vlog and yeah, नहीं और हमने नहीं लूटा मंजू को. I'm a very good daughter to my mother. I was laughing. No, I'm really a very good daughter to my mother. So yeah, thank you Manju for. My mom is behind the camera. She's taking out the clothes and she's trying and she's like याला तो मैं पहन सकती हूँ. So okay, I don't know मैंने कितना cover किया. But for me it was very very awkward. I couldn't vlog. मतलब मैंने 10 times कैमरा निकाला होगा और मैंने बंद भी किया होगा. I'm like no, I can't do this. And surprisingly my mom was like come on Sam, निकल, मैं करूँ क्या vlog, मैं करूँ क्या. I'm like no mom, everybody is watching. Today is Sunday so मेरी बहुत rush था वहाँ पे. And yeah, but whenever भी मैंने जब भी कैमरा भी निकाला था, people were like seeing and like they were peeping and I'm like what they might be thinking. कुछ सोचेंगे नहीं but it was, we are not used to it. वो भी आज publicly vlog and all. Okay, but I don't know how much I have covered and I'll try my best. No, I'm not going to try. I'm going to do it from now. That I'll try to vlog as short as possible so it's easy for me to edit and upload on YouTube. So it won't bother me much because it's very difficult for me because there are so many vlogs of me which I have vlogged and which are so long. अच्छा लग रहा है, nice. Which are so long that it's very difficult to sit and edit and cut this, that. It's very difficult and for me it's like very hectic and I don't have anyone who will do the editing for me. So I think I should start doing this short YouTube and तुम लोग भी बोर नहीं होगे फिर. And yeah, I don't know कितना आया है part. So let's, I hope just you like it even if it's 3 minutes, I don't know, but I hope you like it. And yeah, and please comment and tell me that what kind of videos you want me to really make, that you would like to watch, what kind of content would like to watch. Okay, so there are a lot of upcoming events coming, so I'll take you through and I'll try that short wala things to vlog. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. And what else? Nothing else. And there's one big vlog. Okay, it's so nice. I have done so much pep talk in that to you guys because it's been a year that I've vlogged and everything. And I'll try to post that after this. And yeah, I hope I want to post that. And yeah, thank you so much if you have watched this vlog. And I hope that I don't disappoint you again like the last time because मैंने तो गिव अप कर दिया. I'm like I cannot vlog anymore, I cannot edit, so मैंने गिव अप ही कर दिया. So many events, so much was happening. Yeah, that I could vlog and I could share those moments with you, but it's okay. But now let's hope and let's pray that I do this. So thank you so much guys. आपने मुझे अभी तक अनसब्सक्राइब नहीं किया इवन आई वॉज इन पोस्टिंग. मेरी छोटी सी फैमिली है यूट्यूब की. इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी दैट you have followed, you have subscribed to my channel, and if you have watched this video, thank you so much. It will mean a lot to me. And अगर subscribe नहीं किया है तो go and subscribe now. So bye, see you guys soon. Until that, take care and please like, share and subscribe guys. Bye.